Are you looking for the best wagons for kids in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best wagons for kids that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Step 2 Wagon for Kids. The ride-on wagon for kids has a unique appearance. This wagon also serves as the best carrying cart for babies. Moreover, you can extend the under-seat storage by using a tag-along trailer. The wagon has a latch door. The plastic-derived construction makes carrying easier for parents. Nevertheless, the deep leg walls assure your children's comfort. This cart also consists of 2 seats. However, these seats come along with seat belts. Furthermore, the molded-in drain holes increase the convenience of this wagon. The long handle helps you to pull this cart without putting in much effort. However, you can fold this handle down under this cart. At number 4, Roadmaster Steel Pole Wagon. This pull-along wagon comes with the construction of hard-wearing metal. The steel bed also resists rust and corrosion. Nevertheless, this deformation-free steel bed prolongs the lifespan of this wagon. The utility cart comes along with rolled edges. Hence, your children can ride comfortably and safely on this wagon. Moreover, the red powder-coated finish gives a classic look to this piece. The 8-inch wheels also run smoothly on any surface. Furthermore, the hard rubber wires never usually wear or deform. The long pull handle involves the construction of hard-wearing steel. Therefore, you can pull this wagon without any hassle. The steering system keeps your fingers safe from pinching. At number 3, Radio Flyer Convertible Wagon. This functional wagon for kids comes with both pull and push handles. The convertible stroller also makes traveling easier with kids. Moreover, this wagon comes with a maximum weight-bearing capacity of 150 lbs. This utility cart comes along with 2 seats and seat belts. Hence, you can keep your children safe during the rides. The fold-away stroller handlebar also consumes lesser space in car trunks. Furthermore, the tires of this wagon are of thick foam. Therefore, you can safely pull or push this cart on any terrain. The included canopy blocks sun rays to keep your kids cool and comfortable. Nevertheless, the 5-point safety harnesses make riding safer on bumpy roads. At number 2, Radio Flyer Steel and Wood Wagon. The tread tires make this wagon for kids an all-terrain cargo. The frame of this cart is of hard-wearing wood. Moreover, the all-terrain rubber tires reduce shocks while having a ride on bumpy terrains. The metal parts of this cart come with a rust-proof coating to ensure durability. Nevertheless, these pneumatic tires work as the cargo carrier. The well-built construction also withstands up to 200 lbs of weight. Furthermore, the long pull handle folds down neatly. Hence, you can put this cart inside a car trunk. This wagon lets you haul coolers, diaper bags, gardening supplies, and more. However, you can carry plants and soil by using this pull-along wagon. At number 1, Radio Flyer 3-in-1 Collapsible Wagon. This pull-along wagon for kids comes along with broad wheels. The added canopy also keeps your children safe from harsh sunlight. This utility cart is capable of withstanding the weight of up to 150 pounds. Moreover, the collapsible frame makes this cart easy to store and carry. You can effortlessly put this wagon inside a car trunk. This cart also comes with 3 different riding options. 2 riders can ride on this wagon. Furthermore, this cart supports bench seating. The seat belts assure the safety of the rides. However, this portable wagon consists of a rear storage pouch for knickknacks. You can use this wagon as a cargo carrier. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.